so many brilliant characters. You've got to come and watch it. It's got a great message, but it's hilariously funny as well. And Jonathan is a genius, what can I say? Come and watch it.
I thought the play was absolutely fantastic. The acting was out of this world. I recommend anyone to come and see it. It was absolutely brilliant.
It's tremendous. It's funny, it's sad, it's mind-blowing. It all started here and it can all start with you. So get your ass on a seat here in Liverpool within the next 3 weeks. Do it.
Absolutely wonderful. Recommend it to everyone. A beautiful, warm, engaging, sprawling epic taken in decades of gay history. You'll laugh, you'll cry, it's food for thought, and you'll be blown away. It's just wonderful.
I think it's definitely a show that people should go and watch with an open mind and to be entertained.
You should book a seat, you should come with your family and friends, loved ones, neighbours, total strangers, whoever, and see it. It's a magnificent piece of work. I've loved every minute of it. I'm exhausted, I've laughed, I've cried like a baby, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. It's an amazing, important piece, and you should come to the Playhouse in Liverpool immediately.